Yep, it was at this point right here we knew we messed up.
Yep. I knew this was worth having on video.
Get some in the bucket.
Oh. Fucking showing eye crooked.
And then the moment I realized, thank God it's all over.
Oh, that would have been so funny if you would have died.
I only got a little soaked.
Look at that.
As you can see, we had a little bit of fun today. As always, little things like this. Love to share all this stuff, so appreciate you guys tuning in. Love the likes, the shares, the comments. You guys are awesome. T-shirts are flying. I really appreciate that. We got some hats coming in now. Those should be here in a couple weeks. I'm going to start putting those on the website for pre-order. Got some stickers coming in. So you guys are awesome. I really appreciate everything. Like I always say, on to the next one. Let's go!